Alright, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123.net. In today's video here on Tuesday, September 26th, Taco Tuesday, we're going to be trading NQCL and ES. And today the market was a little nervous because the Fed was talking in the afternoon. So it made for some choppy trading in the NQ. Didn't affect the CL that much or the ES. So anytime the Fed talks, markets get nervous. And so with that being said, with the Fed coming up, we pretty much figured we'd have a down day. So we started the bot right at the open. And we get short and stopped for a small loss here. Then the trend was down, and we're trading 3 contracts as we always do, and it sold off, and we hit our daily goal of 635 we got minus commission. So profitable trade. There's the strategy performance for that trade. We had to get stopped out there for $48. Like I said, small loss. And otherwise, our largest winning trade was 345 bucks. So we hit our goal. That's all that counts. And on to the next one. Then on Fed days, we like to focus more on the ES than the NQ. So we started the bot here about 9:45 in the NQ. The ES. And just missed catching this downtrend, and then it got long here, then a stop out, and then a reversal, and sold off. And we got a nice $600 profit, and we decided to take it and bank it. So we're 2 for 2 starting the day. Then the NQ was kind of choppy and no follow through. It started to go and then fail and dive and then bounce, and it was just a choppy mess. So we ignored it for a while and we jumped into the CL on our next trade. CL here had some bullish news and been trending up. They're talking on CNBC that it's going to go to 100. And as I say, history always repeats itself, because the CL was at 100 about 5-6 years ago. Went to about 110, 120, and then all the way back down to, what, $10, $5, $2? Almost went to, or it did go to 0, I guess. And then right back up. So nice trade in CL. We started it at the open and basically caught this reversal here down for some profit. And then a reversal up. Our stop loss gets hit, and so we got 453 on that one for a nice trade, adding to our goal. And then any trade under 500, I don't bother showing a strategy performance. So let's go on. Next trade is the NQ. This will be our 4th trade. No, our next one is the ES. So we start the bot here just after 10. ES has a trend reversal. It was downtrending here, has a trend reversal. Up it goes, and on the 3 contracts we had a goal of 600. We got 587 minus commission. So a nice trade and added to the profit. There's the strategy performance, 587, $12 commission, 100% winner, largest winning trade, 220, nice trade. Then we got involved in the ES after 11. Like I said, the NQ was choppy, so we pretty much ignored it most of the morning. And you got to be able to read the market. And here, when the market is weak, it's a lot easier trading the ES than the NQ. And so here we get a nice down move, and It started to bounce, and so I exited the trade. If I just let the stop work, would have caught all this in a downtrend and would have hit our goal. And so then we get a reversal here, back up we go, and we get 575 profit to add to our daily goal. And there's a strategy performance on that one. So another 100% winner in the ES. And then this trade, we get whacked out and stopped. The market was out of line or something here. Had a sell-off here. We started just after 11 and went to go long, and it got stopped. There was no follow-through, like I said. A couple bars, and then boom, stopped out. And then it went to go short, and then 1-2 bars, and stupid little bounces here that they were having all day. So we took a stop on that, minus 320. And then we were pretty much done trading for the day. As, like I said, you're going to be able to read the market, and the market was doing this chop stuff, and so we didn't trade anymore until later in the afternoon. Took a break for lunch, come back here after 3. Figured there'd be some movement at 3 o'clock. Start the bot in a downtrend, catches an uptrend. And, you know, if the market was smooth, this would have just glided right up. There'd be no these little pullbacks and then up. And so it goes up, gets some profit, goes down. We get 280 profit on it and call it a day. Like I said, today was news day with the Fed talking in the afternoon, and made for a choppy morning. And here's a trade that I left out here right at the 10:30 reversal time frame. Started the bot here on the NQ, and this was about the smoothest run it had all day, and we were only trading 2 contracts at this point, so we get locked in a 325, only trading 2 contracts due to the choppy market. So that's our trades for the day. So all in all, we had 8 trades on the day, like we usually do, 6 to 8, and even with that stop loss, we still came out with $3,200 in profits minus commission for the day. So wasn't an easy day to trade. You know, sometimes NQ is not tradable, and you got to switch to, you know, the CL, YM, or ES, and that's exactly what we did. You know, it's like being a quarterback. You analyze the first hour, and you got to make it through the next hour, come up with some plays, and, you know, play what's moving, not what's chopping around. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here for more trading tips and videos on our software, and follow us on social media, Facebook and Twitter.